Today I've got 3 websites for you that you can start selling your second-hand clothes or your hardly worn clothes. And this is not going to really be a passive income or something that you can do over and over because you may run out of second-hand clothes. But right now, if you just need this as a side hustle, this is really a good place to start. So I've got 3 websites for you. These are the websites that are going to pay you real cash without giving you any hassles or struggles. So the first website that you can visit is a very known website. It's called Yagasto. So with this website, this is how the website looks like, and whenever you're ready to start selling, you just click over here on the page button and click start selling. But all these websites, they do have terms of services and how your pictures should look like, and also how you should take the best images for your products to be able to sell. With Yaga, they will handle the shipping, so you don't have to be shipping to customers, but you will read that when you go through the terms of services. I just want to show you how the websites look like and their logos so that you don't go to the wrong website and you get scammed from those websites. So this is the website, and as you can see, these are some of the brands that you can sell. Even if you have clothes that you bought and they were brands, you can still sell them. So these are some of the brands that you can sell here on Yaga. And as you can see, when we visit this website, already they've got monthly users which are over 500,000, meaning every month they've got 500,000 people or more than 500,000 people who visit their website, meaning that you are showing your products to 500,000 customers, and that means you stand a very good chance to sell your products. And the other important thing is the items that they have sold. So they have sold 807,399 items since they started selling. So these are almost 1 million items that were sold in this store, meaning if you're selling also, you will stand a good chance to be able to sell in these products, because you can see that items indeed get sold in this website. And the rating on this website is very good. So Hello Peter ratings, it's 4.4 star rating, meaning this is a very good rating, or they got really good reviews. Now moving to the second website, this is the website. It's called, I can't even pronounce it, it's called WISI-OI. So this is like abbreviations, I forgot what it means. So this is the website, this is how it looks like. So whenever you're ready to apply, you just come over here and open your free boutique. So unlike the previous website, which is Yagasto, here you have to open sort of your own boutique. It's more like you're gonna be having your own store inside this website, but everything is free. And when they're shipping to customers are gonna pay 99 Rand flat shipping rate. So meaning that whenever you're setting your prices, you must include the shipping rate or the shipping fee, but you will understand more of that when you come over here and click open your free boutique, and it's going to take you here where it just shows you what's needed from you. So to become a seller, you sign up here, and then you will be able to understand how it works. But some of the things that are included here are the guidelines, photography guidelines. So this is going to be for you to take pictures that sell. So they are going to give you all the guidelines and also the pricing guide. So don't worry if you don't understand anything about these websites. Everything is explained in each and every website. The last website, which is our third website, is mavencollection.co.za. As you can see, they do have a lot of categories over here, meaning you can sell even your children or your kids' clothes. You can sell even your spouse's clothes. So anything here, as long as it's clothes, is allowed for you to sell. Looking at the store, these are some of the clothes, just a few of the clothes that they are selling, and here are the reviews. As you can see, these are 5-star reviews, 5-star rating reviews. You can just go through them before you start selling, just to understand what's needed, or if anybody ever got their money or got robbed, just to understand, just go through there. And then whenever you're ready, you click here where it says sell with us, and it's going to take you somewhere here. Before you apply to sell, you have to also familiarize yourself with the rules. So why should you become a Maven supplier? How do they pay? So with Maven, it's very different. So remember the other previous websites, you were selling your own clothes, like you were just gonna have to take pictures and all of that. With Maven, it's more like they're gonna be buying clothes from you. Before they even sell them, they're gonna give you your money. So they're gonna have a look at your clothes, how much they can sell, and they really need clothes that are still looking good, no worn out clothes. And then after looking at your clothes or reviewing your clothes or going through them, that's when they're gonna decide how much money they're gonna give you. So you're not gonna be able to price your clothes. So this is mavencollection.co.za. Do come and visit all these websites to see if you can be able to make money with these websites with your clothes, the clothes that you're no longer wearing or using. And those are our 3 websites, and like I said, this is only a side hustle. You cannot be selling all your clothes or the clothes that you have, but some of the clothes, or even every 3 months you may have clothes that you're no longer wearing, and you just come here and sell your clothes. And those are our 3 websites that I have for you today, and thank you so much for watching up to here. See you in the next video. Cheers.